Hey guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and today I'm going to be planning the... Oh, what week is it going to be? I'm not sure. The week of the 24th of June in my Hobonichi weeks. So, just a quick thing. I've done a new light setting, so please let me know if the lighting's better in this or previous videos. I'm hoping this one's a little bit less yellow, but we'll see. But yeah, so let's see, what am I going to be using? I've got some, well, a bit of everything really, and some retro stickers as well. So I've got some rainbow washi from Simply Gilded. I can't even remember what release this was, but it's my most favourite release that she's ever done. I've got some date dots from Papershire, and I've got some advent items from the Oh Hello Feelings Code 2023 advent. So I've got a worry jar, some washi, and just some like random stickers, I guess. I've got a really cute die cut, and then I've got the oldest, I mean they're really crusty looking, but you know what, the stickers will still be fine. And these are like from Papershire from when she opened up way back. And then I've also got, well, I'm going to steal, I think, this habit tracker and this weekly box from some Josephine Ball leftovers. You will notice I've got no date covers, and that's because I'm going to go rogue and just put the date dots in. And just see how I feel about that, really. How cute as well is this bookmark. If you've not seen my latest haul, this is from Kimmy Creates, and you can save 10% with my code Nikki10. It's changed. It used to be Nikita15, but now it's Nikki10. But yeah, you'll probably guess there's a bit of a theme, and that theme is be kind to myself. That's pretty much it. I'm just thinking how these washi tapes are going to fit in. I might just need to trim them a smidge. And I want to use the stars, and I want to use this one, I think. So, apparently I'm just sticking it down. I'm probably thinking I should have done the waves on the other side, but it's fine. And I am just gonna go ahead and trim this and hope I've not gone through to the other side, but it is pretty thick. Sticker paper. I've ruined it a little bit, but how is everyone? I hope you're all well. Hope you're all having a lovely week. I'm apparently butchering my planner, making it look very painful as well, I bet. That's cute, right? I'm going for like a mixy-matchy, mismatch type vibe. I don't know. I was looking through on what to use because I want to get back into my planner, because confession time, I've not been filling it in. I filled it in the previous week, but I filled that in after the fact as well. So I kind of want to make my planner work for me again. Hey, that was a pretty good cut. Yeah, I do want to make my planner work, so... Oh no, I've just dropped a sticker. There we go. I'll stick that there. Yeah, assuming a bit actually. That's a bit better, isn't it? My planner's not really... I've not been making the most of it, is what the truth is. So let's use some of this washi. Definitely want to get some of the pinks in. And I'm just going to put it along the top. I need a washi card. I think I might have one. I've got an entire pack of them here. Should have done this before I started filming. I've got to a point where my washi cards were just everywhere, and I was like, I can't live like this. So I tidied them all away, and then I've obviously not put them away properly. Right, that's looking very cute, very rainbowy. I do need to take this off and kind of try and fix it if I can. I might stick my worry jar there, because if you've watched previous videos, you will know that all my tabs kind of ripped and it was a mess. So as a quick fix, I just put some washi down. Just so that my tabs wouldn't be everywhere. So, where is that worry jar now? Yes, I think you could go there. And do you know what? It's been rough again lately, so I'm just doing this to try and encourage me back into my planner. Get some self-love. Do I like that placement? I hope so. I'm thinking, do I want to put some washi there? Too late now. Yeah, I just want to get some self-love back and all the rest of it. So let's do some date dots, because I'm very anxious / excited for this. It's either going to be very, very cute, or it's going to be like, what was you thinking? Honourable mention to my future mother-in-law, because she gave me these leopard print tweezers and I'm obsessed with them. Right. She was throwing them out. She was sorting some stuff out. And I was like, ooh, I like leopard print. How are we on? The last week of June. That's crazy to me. I've got these. These are from, I want to say, like an Oops grab bag of date dots from Papershire, and they are the tiniest bit miscut, but not enough for me to care. And I thought, oh look, I'm going further and further over. That's better. Yeah, and I thought, you know what, they'll work. They'll work for spreads, especially spreads like this. I just need to be mindful of where I'm placing them. I think it's because I'm trying to line the number up with the number underneath, which is a bit silly really, because I don't need to do that. Right, bit wonky, but still pretty. That's looking very cheery. I like that. Checklists. Let's do some checklists. So I've gone ahead and cut these into 3. And I'm just going to stick 3 on each day. Random order. Don't really care what order they go down in. I just want the pretties, and hopefully that's what I'm going to get. I just wanted to make sure I started with one that I've got 2 of, just so as I can repeat it if I want to. These ball checklists are freaking adorable though. I wish that she still did stuff like this, because chef's kiss. So pretty. Right, now, this is where, have we got, we've not used those orange ones. So what I'm going to do is make my own little 3 checklist with it. Try and hopefully make it look like the others. And then let's go in, is this, oops, it's a lemon. I think it's a lemon colour. Okay, that's cute. I like that. I do actually really like that. So how do I want to do the rest? I know I want to do my habit tracker. I wanted to track 2 things if I could. Let's see what trackers I do have. I know I've got a yellow one which will obviously match. I could do orange, couldn't I? I'm not sure if I like it. Oh, I like that one better. I always want to go and do the pink ones, that's the problem. Oh, I like that one. Does that go? I feel like it could go. If we're going to do a mismatch, we might as well do it fully, right? I will see if I've got another one, but I don't think I will. I think that's a Josephine Bowl one, to be honest. I like that one too, but I don't think it'll go. I mean, it's not that deep, is it? Is that where I was doing? Yeah, I was trying to figure tabs for my stickers. Right, what one was I going to use? There was a yellow one, I feel like. I could have done them, couldn't I? No, they're not. They're too saturated, I think. I'm working way too hard for these habit trackers. Let's get back to the ones I was going to use. Where are they? Oh my god, where has that page gone? Whoops. Sorry guys. The camera's extra low today for some reason. Oh, I think we're getting close. Yeah. There we are, found it again. What foil is this? Holographic, I think. All right, let's see. How are we gonna get this in? I want to put that right in the corner, and apparently we're going to have a bit of layering action, which is perfectly fine. Alright, that's cute. So there was a couple of things I wanted to use, wasn't there? I could do a banner, but I wish I'd have thought about that, but I didn't. I could use one of these rainbows. Am I going to use anything from this? I don't know. I kind of want to do the hurting and healing because that's very much how I feel right now. Maybe if I just layer it up like that. Because I am struggling very much with how much I'm hurting right now, but I'm hoping there's light at the end of the tunnel. So we can but try. That's very cute. It's very not what I'm used to. What's going on here? I think my page has crinkled a little bit underneath. I've just had a message come up. My mum's ashes are back now. Guys, would you believe me if I told you that they lost my mum's ashes? It is honestly, oh, yeah, let's not get into that, but OMG, what a nightmare. Right. I kind of want to do some icons. So, let's see. I want an icon for my dinners, meds, and I want to try and work out a bit more. Because I have well and truly fell off that bandwagon. Believe you me when I tell you. Oh dear. But it's fine. It's fine. One of these for my medication. And then, what was it? Medication, exercise. What do I want to use? I'm thinking of them, look, that little dumbbell. I'm going to put that on with my tweezers though, because and then I need a cute little food icon, I think. You will do. So cute. Alright. And where am I going to put you? So I'm going to put it at the top. Or should I put it there? Oh, I don't know. I'm going to put it like that, I think. So, let's just zoom out a smidge. I kind of want to add something else, but I'm not sure what I want. These rainbows are very cute though, and I would like to include at least one, but I don't think it's going to fit. No guys, I think I'm gonna have to leave it there unless maybe I'll put one in here. Maybe just there. And then I've just got this random space there, but that's fine. Yeah guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I think that turned out very cute, and I'm hoping this is gonna encourage me back into my planner now. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little bit of chaos. If you enjoyed the video, it'd be absolutely amazing if you decided to subscribe, and I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.